Hey everybody, just going to show you some of this door. This is off 54 Anglia. I mean, these were actually only meant to 53 somehow. This one had been an old stock car and thing. Now, I don't know what your view's like from it, but what I'm going to show you is obviously I've like mechanism were all seized up. Now, obviously I could do a new channel here. I'm sure I'll be able to get that. But what I'm trying to get over here to you is, do you think this is necessary? Because I do, because the restoration of this level, you know, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this mechanism here. I mean, window goes up down, but it's awful. Now, so obviously it wants a channel here, I reckon it does anyway. I mean, some people are right, it's working, you know, but it's working in a fashion. That's my opinion. That is honestly and truthfully my opinion. I mean, it goes down, but I've got the door in a, like it's stuck now there, so I've got to ride it about to move it. Now, I've got all the door stripped down. I've also, with it, so it's 4 screws, which I've like put some stuff on, lubricant on, so they can be undoing. And also, I've obviously got, I don't know how well you can see with that camera, but I've got, it's not so much corrosion, but there's this bit to deal with at bottom of the door as well. So I've got door off, obviously. It does fit the car now, I've done all car structural. And I'm going to obviously strip it off and get on with painting. Few little bit handle art, stuff like that. Now, I'm just showing you this because this is the difference between a proper restoration and a bit of messing about with your car. So, but what I want to know of you, so just pass me a comment, because I'm really curious, like, you know, about is this ridiculously OCD, or does this guy who spent all this money on this Anglia want to be able to use his window and use his window rate? Because as you've just seen, it's like binding, it's quite free there. Now I've moved it back, it's not bad. But if I take all this, lubricate it all up, all my work on my door finished, put everything back in, down me what is it here, fill it with grease, guy's never going to have door off, and job's right. Well, all he's going to have there, whatever he decides to do, oh, my window ain't over it, oh, there's this, so, well, that's what I'm asking. In comments, give me a comment, am I right, or is it just OCD? You know, but to me, I think this is necessary. Mechanism does work, but with just a good lube up and a good grease, I think mechanism's around for the same time again, 71 years, which that's age of car. And this bit of surface rust that I've just shown you here, it's not a major thing to sort out, so I'm going to get it stripped off, paint off it anyway, and then, because the reason I've stripped paint on all this car is it had micro blistered, obviously the paint just that old, you know, so it's just perished. So pass me a comment. Well, tell me what you think. Give us a like video, silly little video, but I just thought you might want to see it. You know, this is like, these are details that you don't see in a restoration, that when you're going to buy something, you might come across stuff like this. So, would you do it? Wouldn't you do it? What would you do? Give us a like. Subscribe if you want to see bits like this, because I'm back in shop doing stuff. And pass a comment like I asked for you. Am I crazy or am I not? Catch you all later. Take care, everybody, and bye for now.